Powerful chia milkshake to lose 6 kilos in 1 week. In brief moments, a written explanation. Chia is one of the most beneficial plants for our overall body functions and health, as it is loaded with great nutritional properties. The seeds have been used since ancient times and are mostly popular among women and men as a result of their rich content in minerals, vitamins, antioxidants and omega-3 fats. A large number of scientific studies have shown that chia has the ability to help weight loss, but only if consumed in moderate amounts, 25 grams per day. The seeds can efficiently accelerate our metabolism and help us burn weight faster in the waist and abdominal areas. The seeds provide calcium, which assists us with digestion, and it has the capacity to provide a feeling of fullness and reduce snacks and food cravings. In addition, it helps fight anxiety and stress while postponing aging symptoms, which is why it is recommended by a number of nutritional experts. The drink we are going to present you below should be taken twice a day, 1 hour before your first meal, and 1 hour before your dinner, 3 hours before going to bed. Consume the drink for 3 weeks straight before making a 3-week pause and repeating the process if you are not satisfied with the results. Ingredients you will need: 12 grams of chia seeds, 1,5 cup of milk, half papaya. Instructions: all you have to do is put the milk and papaya in a blender and mix well. Once you end up with a homogeneous mixture, pour the remedy in a glass and add 12 grams of chia seeds, stir well with a wooden spoon, and let the drink sit for 1 hour before drinking it. Feel free to add some ice as well. Thank you for your attention and for having seen the video. As you know, my name is Indira. You can meet me in my blog indiraremedies.com. If you do not know me, visit this website and you will know my personal history. In my blog we talk about losing weight and health in general. As you know, obesity or overweight can trigger many deadly diseases. I am not the only one who said that. World Health Organization thinks the same. In this channel and along with my blog I can help you to follow a healthy lifestyle and to finish with these extra kilos. If you visit the link of the video's description you will be able to download for free a very special gift dedicated to all our followers, valued at $27. It is a gift that will not be available for a long time, so if you visit the link of the video's description, and you realize that we no longer have it, visit my blog and keep having a look, because on some occasions we are launching this offer or others totally free. So if you really want to lose weight, visit the link of the video's description, and if you like the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel to not miss any others videos. You can also follow me on my blog and social media. Best